Hey everybody, it's Holly at Honda World. Today we're back in the service department and I wanted to share with you some really cool things we're doing for our service customers. So I'm going to hand it off to Jessica and she's going to tell you all about it.
Hello, I'm Jessica, back in service. Did you know you can have your vehicle serviced without even coming to the dealership? That's a new service we are now offering to our loyal customers. We've made it really convenient. When you schedule your service appointment, we will come and pick up your vehicle, perform the work needed, and then return your vehicle to you when we're finished. As an added layer of protection, we will replace your cabin air filter upon request, free of charge. And also apply Transform, which is a sanitizer that kills germs, viruses, bacteria. You can call 502-499-5040 to schedule your appointment, or online at louisvillehondaworld.com. Don't forget to ask for your free cabin filter replacement, and thank you very much. Stay well.